Hi there, I'm Alan Brown. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Aptitude Global. Aptitude are a niche data consultancy. We specialise in financial services and ultimately use data to create innovative solutions to help our clients succeed. The mechanisms in which people are able to commit crime, financial crime, change almost on a daily basis, so it's extraordinarily difficult to keep pace. You really have to know your customer, so understand who your customers are, understand the level of risk associated with that customer, so you then have to based on the level of risk, the amount of diligence you have to perform. I mean, the cost of some of the major banks is certainly in the hundreds of millions of pounds. Aptitude were involved with a major UK retail bank. Now, the approach that they had taken when Aptitude were engaged was to effectively do this manually. Outreach the customers, get them to self-certify that their details were correct. But you can imagine for that many customers, that is a time-consuming, expensive process. Aptitude's approach was completely different. So when we were engaged by the bank, we said, look, we don't want to do this manually. We very much were pushing to use data. Okay, so can we find trusted sources of third-party data that allows us to validate and verify the information that we hold on the customer is correct, and where it's not correct, allow us to have targeted outreach to the customer to answer those specific questions. So we went out to a wide range of data providers. We found that Experian had a significantly better data coverage. So we built a regular feed of third-party data from Experian. It tells us whether the information that we hold is the same as the other, these other companies. Then understand, is it consistent with the wider market view of that customer compared to the data that we hold. This is an expensive process. To remediate huge volumes of customers takes a significant manual effort, and really the value for us is to reduce the manual effort. So to take customers who are confident that they are lower risk, that our data quality is good, and we can evidence to the regulator that we know that customer, and we can then expend the effort into the higher risk customers, the ones that we really want our trained financial crime analysts to do detailed investigations in. We can take them through this process quicker, cheaper, more efficiently, and the heart of that is the third-party data, and the data services that we're using from Experian.